The time you've all been waiting for, eh? For this little chewy to come out. Are you coming out? For the first time ever? Eh? I know what you're gonna do. Come here. Come here then. Oh yeah, let's look at you. Funny lad, he's coming out. Come on then. We'll get some corn then. Eh? What's going on, lad? You're gonna attack us, like, you little shit. That's not our clever, like. You'll soon get put in your place, though, if you're going around attacking people. You know? I thought you were friendly. Get some corn into you. You'll soon learn. Because everybody else will attack you. There's some corn down there, man. Look at it. Hey! I'll fucking teach you, you little bastard. You want to learn quickly, do you? You're going to go for me, are you? That's fucking nice of you, lad. Aye, go for him. You'll soon learn. There you go. Aye, there you go, lad. Not so fucking hard now, are you? I rescued you, you little shit. You were fucking nice the other day. What happened to you, like? I think you cut my fucking leg open, like. Don't fucking come near me if you're gonna attack us, like. Go and get with the rest of them. I'm not scared of a fucking cockerel. I'll follow you about, like. Hey, leave them alone. I can see you're gonna be fucking very unliked around here, ho. There's one thing making you fucking mark and one thing fucking being an arsehole, like. What are you doing? What are you fucking doing, like? If you come near me again, you'll get a fucking boot. Alright, the fucking ducks have been pulling me fucking rubbish bags to bits. Before I get a chance to fucking tidy them up. Oh, bloody notifications, like. Better behave yourself.